Thank you for watching this video. Do like, share, comment and subscribe to this channel for more information. Unlock the secret to consistency with this powerful strategy. This is volatility. Now, this powerful strategy will unlock the secret to your consistent profit with this simple yet powerful 15 minutes volatility breakout strategy. Now, whether you're a beginner or an expert trader, learn how to harness the power of the 14 RSI period and also the ATR average true range and the opening range to catch explosive move while managing risks like a professional. Meanwhile, watch till the end of this tutorial and you will learn good entry and exit point in your forex trading career as regards volatility trading. Now, I want to show us a full proven master strategy of volatility breakout trading, which will shift your trading career forever. Now, this trading is crafted to help you spot breakout point quickly while controlling risks using dynamic stop loss and take profit level based on the average true range. Now, you see that we have some indicators here. We have some indicators here. Now, I will be explaining to us how to use these indicators and the settings. Now, you have to watch this video to the end so that you understand how to use this very well. Now, first of all, how do you avoid fake breakout and trade with confidence? That's what I want to show you, how you can trade with confidence and also how you can trade and not lose, not just confident, but not just lose. You don't want to lose money. Now, this is it. We have the average true range, and the average true range help us to see where the momentum is, where the explosion is. Now, look at this quickly while I show you. Look at this quickly. Now, when the average true range is going downward, this means that the momentum is actually going down. The momentum is actually going down. When it starts going upward, it means that the momentum is increasing. Now, this is both for sell and this is both for buy. If you look at it, I'm using the average true range of 14. Once it's going down, it means that the momentum is reducing, it's going up, the momentum is what? Increasing. Now, look at this, was actually going for a sell, and the momentum what? Went up here, showing that it is what? It is increasing. Now, look at what is happening. I'm doing this video with a live trade. This is not Kululi, this is not Kalala. I'm showing you live account, live trade on volatility 75 1 second index. This is a live trade. This is not story. This is a live trade. Now, just follow this strategy and I tell you the truth, you will definitely gain profit. Now, when you use this, you are definitely going to definitely end in profit. Now, look at it. Look at it. Remember, I told us when it is going up, volatility is increasing, going up, volatility increasing. That's why you see it moving like this. And volatility is what? Increasing. Now, this is the thing here that most traders will not tell you. You see, at some point, this worked with also the concept of support and resistance. Now, look at it. Look at it. You see, volatility now reduce and reach some point and started going up. Now we are expecting the volatility to continue going up and reach a certain level. Now it has gone down, reach some 7 level like this before it will start what? Falling down. That is why I entered this buy. And if you look at it, it is showing us that there is strength in the market. There is strength for what? For buy, for bullish move. There is strength for bullish move. And this is just the indicator, the ATR. I'm going to show you the settings. Now, this is it. Now, how do we use support and resistance? We use support and resistance so that we can, we use RSI, sorry, so that we can get support and resistance. You see, this is critical level here. This is critical level. Once it reaches 70 and 30 is what is our level. Now, when it's reached 70 is our level for us to expect what? Sell. When it reached 30 is our level for us to what? Expect buy. And that is how it is. That is how it is. That now we combine the two of them so that even if it is on resistance, we can get entry for what? For a sell, just like the way we did here. Even if it is in our support here, we can get entry for what? For a buy. Look at it. It's now what? Buying. Now look at this point. I put this place as my area of take profit. Now I use the previous high as my area of take profit. You can use also the previous high or the previous low as your area of take profit. Take note of this thing. Take note of this thing. Don't skip any part. Take note of this. Now let me show you the settings quickly. Let me show you the settings quickly. The first moving average, the moving average 21, and the shift is 0. The method is linear weight. Why are we using linear weight? Linear weight is actually the indicator that institutional traders usually use. In fact, the linear weight does not respond quickly. The linear weight also is not that slow. Now, the linear weight is the weight that institution actually use in order for them to what? Measure the close of a candlestick. That is why I emphasize on that linear weight, not because of what? Quick movement. You get it? Because of momentum. It work with momentum. So now you see period 9. Well, period 9 and the same word linear weight. This is the settings. Just copy the settings. And then we have relative strength index. This is the settings, period 14, level 30, level 70, level 25, and level 75. And this color. And the last is our average true range, which is period 14. Now, if you have gotten the settings, you click on save. Now, first thing first, you must wait for the moving average 9 to cross the moving average um, 21. You must wait for that cross. That's on the 15 minutes time frame. Watch it. This is on the 15 minutes time frame. I'm now making massive profit already. I'm already making massive profit. Now you must wait for the cross. You must wait for the cross. You must wait for the cross. Once you see the cross, then you look at this place and look at this place in the RSI. If the RSI, where is the RSI showing? What is it showing? Now, is it showing that there is support or resistance? Is it showing rejection? You look at it, and then you look at if there is actually what? Supply of momentum in the market through the average true range. If there is supply, and if there is supply, you are good to go. Like now, you are seeing it. This is profit already. I'm into it. I'm already into profit. This is a strategy that you need 2025 to trade volatility and make profit. Combine this strategy, combine this indicator, and then let me know in the comment section if this strategy is working. See you in the next video. Don't forget, if you like this video, click the notification bell so you'll be notified whenever I upload a strategy just like this. And also don't forget to subscribe to this channel. See you.